Let's discuss about types of regression. Let's talk about two types of regression techniques which are simple linear and multilinear regression. What is simple linear regression? Simple linear regression is used to understand the relationship between one independent variable and one dependent variable. In the graph, vertical axis shows the dependent variable y while the horizontal axis represents the independent variable x. Each dot represents an observed data point. The straight line passing through these points is called the line of regression. It shows the best linear relationship between x and y. The mathematical model is expressed as the sum of intercept b0, slope of the line b1 and error term equals to prediction y. Linear regression equation. The linear regression equation describes how a dependent variable changes with respect to an independent variable. It is written as y is the dependent variable that we want to predict, the term b0 represents the y-intercept, the coefficient b1 is the slope of the line, and x is the independent input variable. The term a represents the error, which captures the difference between the actual data points and the predicted values. The intercept and slope are calculated using statistical measures such as covariance and variance. Together, this equation helps us model relationships and make accurate predictions from data. Linear regression describes how one variable changes with respect to another using a straight line. This line is called the regression line, and it represents the best fit line that minimizes the total squared error between actual data points and predicted values. In this image, the equation of the line is where a is the intercept and a is the slope. When the slope a is positive, a positive linear relationship exists. This means as x increases, y also increases, resulting in an upward sloping line. In this image, the equation of the line is when the slope a is negative, a negative linear relationship occurs. In this case, as x increases, y decreases, and the line slopes downward. Thus, the sign of the slope clearly explains the direction of the relationship between variables. Multiple linear regression is an extension of simple linear regression. It explains the relationship between one dependent variable, called y, and two or more independent variables, denoted as x1, x2, up to xn. This technique is used when the outcome depends on the combined effect of several predictors, rather than a single input. For two independent variables, the model is written as f of x1 x2 is equal to the sum of y-intercept up to two variables with error term. For n independent variables, the general form becomes f of x1 x2 upon xn is equal to the sum of y-intercept up to n variables with error term. Here, b0 represents the intercept, which is the value of y when all input variables are 0. The coefficients b1 to bn indicate how much y changes for a one-unit change in each variable, while keeping the others constant. The error term captures the error or variation not explained by the model. Multiple linear regression house price example. Consider the output variable y represents the house price. On the horizontal axis, x and x represent input features, such as the number of rooms. Each yellow dot represents an actual data point. The blue surface shown is the multiple regression plane, which best fits all the data points. The vertical distance between a data point and the regression plane is called the residual. Residuals represent the prediction error of the model. Multiple linear regression estimates house prices by learning a plane that relates multiple input variables to a single output variable. Now let us understand the coefficients in multiple linear regression. For a model has two input variables, the coefficient vector is written as A cap equals to matrix of B0, B1, B2 whole transpose. Here, B0 represents the intercept, while B1 and B2 are the coefficients of the input variables. The regression coefficients are calculated using the matrix equation. A cap equals to X transpose X whole inverse multiplied by X transpose Y. In this expression, X is the design matrix, which contains a column of ones for the intercept, along with the input variables X1 and X2. Y is the column vector of dependent variable values.